So first of all, let's get rid of all this processing. I'm going to try to go as quick as possible with this. So yeah, first of all, I use operator. This is like the main body. This is the transient, and this is the tail. Like this is the principal tail, which you're going to work with. So if you want to copy settings or anything, you're free to do it. So first of all, I just do some little bit of EQing here. So yeah, pretty much. Yeah, so that's what we start with. Pretty easy. Nothing too crazy, just getting out some 500 hertz. You should not have a lot of 500 hertz in your drums. You don't actually need it. And then I just add some 1K, about 5 dB, pretty much, just to add the hard vocal thing with this. So yeah, pretty much. Then I just added some air. Then I just add a compressor. Although I have it in the default settings, you might want to change this. Then I just add a bit of room with the reverb. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Then I just added a multi-band dynamics. Then I just added a Pro 3, pretty easy. Going back and rolling out some lows, putting up some ha vocal, and then just spot. And it's really done. Then just getting some high end out of our way. This is an operator snare, so let's take it as reference. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what you're going to get out with operators. So what my processing would look like, it would be like I would just make the fundamental part of the snare. Then I would freeze the track, create a new audio track with Command T or Control T on Windows. Then I would just press Alt and hover up to and just drag the MIDI to the audio, and that way you're going to copy the audio in the MIDI. So I would do that and then just create a group. As you can see, I have plenty a lot of groups and stuff going on in this project. So my next step would be just add at least 3 layers, like at least 3 more audio tracks like that, and then just start adding random stuff, like I don't know. So I would just do this. Frequency shifted onto the fundamental would sound like something that I would use. So if we just remove this, this sounds pretty much too high pitchy for me, or for this snare I would go for. So I would just frequency shift it a bit, like 50 hertz, and now it sounds like something you might use, or you might. Then I would just add a clap, random clap, nothing crazy, and I would just do that. So when you import it to Ableton, you're going to just import it like this. You would not want that, because this will fight with your transient. That basically your transient is basically what you're going to do. So any sample is just raw fader. So I would just add random claps. So you can see I added 2, then mix them together. Then I would add a white noise thing that would roll out from the start to 1.3. Then after that I would just add some Foleys or extra stuff just to make the sound interesting. Then I would just add more stuff to fill out, and the final product would sound like this. That's with the processing. So I just roll out some lows, then I roll out some 500 hertz, and then I added some dynamic EQing. That, as you can see, it's going down just a bit, maybe too much and stuff. So it would start really low, but then we'll start adding up stuff. As you can see, really minimal, nothing crazy. Then I would just compress it. Then I just add a limiter just to make it louder without clipping, and that's pretty much it, literally. So I just add a bit of gain, and pretty much. So you need to add up stuff to make up the snare, to make it feel full. So there's where it comes in handy to add these weird beats and claps, weird stuff that that you would not think you would add to snare, but actually you would have to add to make it sound cool. And yeah, pretty much. And that's pretty much it. Hope you learned something. I don't know.